reasons why your woman is not getting wet and is making it hard for you to enjoy as a man. Are you dating a kind of girl and you like her so much, but you are always worried because she barely gets wet when you guys are making out? Then, my brother, you need to listen very carefully to this video because it will educate you on so many things you don't even know about. The fact that she doesn't get wet, maybe you are not displaying enough foul play, okay? A lot of men just believe when they meet a woman, they just dump her into a bed and you guys are always start knacking. My brother, it is not like that. She's not stick, she's not rock, she's a human being. You need to learn how to touch her, where to touch her, okay, so that she can be in the mood. Secondly, she is a smoker. Most smokers doesn't know that it has side effects in their libido level. Smoking reduces libido level because when you smoke, all your system is already occupied with cigarettes and whatever thing you smoke. So your system needs to be fighting to breathe. Your liver is fighting to breathe. Your kidney is fighting to breathe. Every part of your system is fighting to breathe inside you. Physically, you are looking okay, but inside your system is struggling. And as a result of it, the blood flow that is meant to send some signal down there that something is about to happen, it is restricting it, thereby making that place dry. You may just get wet at the earlier stage, but when the interaction with your man keeps on going, you find that you are not getting dry. You will not be wet from the beginning of the intercourse to the end. Is as a result of what you are smoking. Some people say, when I smoke, I do whatever thing I want to do, but it affects your libido. So if you know you are a good smoker or you smoke a lot, whether shisha, cigarettes, or whatever thing you're smoking, please, you need to learn how to reduce it. Third is infection. Most women do not understand the danger of infection. Infection actually destroys so many things in a woman's body. Yes, my sister, it does. You see someone who has infection, you have infection for more than 6 months, you have not even treated yourself. You think that, hey, just a normal this thing, I'm having this child and all of that, so therefore I am fine. No, my sister, if you're having all those signs, you need to go to lab to treat yourself, because when you have infection, candidiasis, syphilis, or whatever infection you have, it is reducing your libido level. Fourth is circumcision. Okay, most women that they circumcise, I think then some years ago it was very rampant, but these days people hardly get circumcised. Women precisely hardly get circumcised, but a woman who undergoes circumcision hardly gets wet. In fact, to be with her as a man is always very, very boring, because you'll be making out with her. You know, it will take a very long period of time for you to hit the G spot, for you guys to start enjoying it together. And most women who they circumcise, they don't enjoy it. They don't find it attractive. When you their body will be inching, they're not comfortable to hear that word sex. So if you know that your woman that she has undergone circumcision, you need to find a means to actually spicing up your relationship with her, because most times it is not always easy for them, both in getting wet and having interaction with their man. Last but not the least, self-medication, or rather side effects of medication. A lot of people feel that whenever they are sick, they just go to hospital to buy drugs and take. My dear sister, your body as a woman is very, very sensitive, and that is why you need to always be careful when buying drugs. You just be sick, you just run and go and buy Panadol and take. All those drugs you are taking, my sister, you don't know that your body as a woman is very sensitive. Sometimes those drugs are not even okay for your system. You'll notice when you finish taking some kind of drug, you start noticing that your sexual life is reducing, your libido level is reducing. You know, a lot of things just be happening in your system, because women's system are very funny. So you need to learn the kind of drug that is not working out for you. If you buy a drug and you notice that your sexual life is reducing or something like that, you need to stop that drug and visit a doctor to ask further questions on why that thing is happening to you. Then the last is stress. She's stressed out or not in happy mood. Remember, when somebody is stressed out, your brain is not working properly towards that direction. And if somebody is not happy as well, how can the person be with you and you enjoy whatever thing you are doing with the person? So if you know that your woman is actually stressed out, you need to give her time to cool off. Or maybe she's not in a happy mood, you need to make her happy before being with her. You will not just go and meet somebody who is very angry and you want to be with her. My brother, you will not enjoy anything.